Sir, you can think that the smoke is coming. This is pollution for the global because this is an incomplete combustion. The cloth and the oil is didn't fire completely, didn't burn completely. So only the carbon monoxide is emitting. If the particles are completely burned, the smoke will not emit. Yeah. This is a combustion chamber, sir. We want to preheat the combustion chamber. Next, we want to open the waste oil drop by drop, and the waste oil will fill down on the heated metal. Then it will separate and get burned. In this continuous process, the oxygen supply will low in this. So because we are keeping stove or any vessels, the oxygen supply are very low. So where oxygen supply very low means smoke will emit. So only we keep an burner. Sorry.